Hi, I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Pico W lessons and I'm up to lesson number 36. I'm a bit late with the homework, and for this Paul asked us to control a servo with a potentiometer, so it's all fairly standard. You have to kind of try and work out what duty cycle is the best to get the servo pointing at 0 degrees and at 180 degrees. So I've put those in variables so that it was a lot easier to change. And I'm also finding out the minimum value that the pot will display, and then I can just assume that any if it's that low, I'll just make it 0, if you see what I mean. So if I read it, and if it's less than the low value, I assume it's 0, or less than equal. Now, Paul was doing all this complicated maths, and he was kind of working out values as he went. But when I was working out all my values, I realized that if you didn't actually work out the numbers before the very end, a lot of things cancelled themselves out, which is why the value for the servo is actually quite easy if you look at it, because you take the duty cycle for 0 and the duty cycle of 180, and everything takes care of itself. So anyway, I will run my jolly old program. Right, turn the potentiometer fully to the right and press enter. That's that. Click on there. Nothing's happening because I haven't done anything right. I will turn it to the left, and that's fully to the left, and it's kind of pointing at 180, and then you can turn it back, and strangely I was expecting a bit of judder when I wrote this program, but so I was expecting to have to compensate it, but no. So there's my program.